Hello everyone, and welcome to the Perk Analysis series, where I test perks based on their individual ability to benefit the player in a trial. This analysis will be based on three factors. The first factor is how often the perk can activate within a trial. The second is how well the perk performs when activated and how it can help. And the third is how likely is it to activate or get use if the player puts it on for one game. Now for the disclaimers. This series will not be an official tier list or ranking on genuine usefulness of perks at high level. However, with that being said, I will try and evaluate the perks to the best of my ability. I am by no means a top tier survivor, but with almost 3k hours under my belt, and most of my playtime being survivor while running different random perks, I think I have some room to talk about perks and their general use. When discussing perks, I will only be referring to their Tier 3 version, and during gameplay I am allowing myself to run items, add-ons, and offerings. Although I have almost 3k hours, I will also try and note how the perk can have use in low to medium skill levels. For these videos, I will be playing in a Survive with Friends group with my friend Jake. We will be talking about the perk while running it. Our gameplay will not be serious, as we don't take DBD that seriously. There will be misplays, but at the end of the day, we're having fun, and that's what matters. One last disclaimer before we get into this. Since I'm running one perk at a time, the game shown may not provide a full story on the perk's usefulness. I will try and make a case for certain perks that don't reach even close to their full potential without a build, and without further ado, let's get into it. Buckle Up is Ash's level 35 teachable perk. Buckle Up is a perk that encourages the user to heal down teammates. When within 48 meters of a down survivor, Buckle Up allows the user to see the down survivor's recovery progress based off of their aura color. Red meaning not recovered at all, and white meaning near fully recovered. This of course scales through pink and its shades. When fully healing a teammate from the down state, Buckle Up will reveal the killer's aura to both of you for 10 seconds. Now, in my opinion, Buckle Up isn't worth running. Its only strength is information, and in most situations, the information provided by the perk may already be known, or at least assumed. For example, if you see a down survivor who hasn't moved for a while, you can safely assume that they are fully recovered, if not close. Buckle Up would only confirm or deny this, and honestly, in my opinion, knowing this isn't really worth a perk slot. Even considering the other side of the perk, the aura reading on the killer, Buckle Up is still subpar. Usually when healing a down survivor, both players will know where the killer is, or at least which direction they went. And if they're far away, the aura reading won't necessarily matter. Sure, Buckle Up can be good in situations where you need to know how healed a down survivor is. For example, in an endgame scenario where you might be the only one up and want to give a teammate a chance, knowing their recovery progress can be nice, especially with the reworked We're Gonna Live Forever. Sometimes you aren't keeping track of down survivors and might need a perk to show their recovery progress, but in most cases, Buckle Up is just kind of unnecessary. I mean, Buckle Up can fit its way into builds though, so that's cool, I guess. David's We're Gonna Live Forever, Jonah's Boon Exponential, and maybe a teammate running Cheryl Soulguard are perks that can work well with Buckle Up. Honestly, Buckle Up kinda just exists and isn't really great, even when in builds trying to get the most out of it. It doesn't even counter the killer perk knockout. Thanks for watching, and as usual, stay tuned for more of the series coming out later. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and all that. Have a good one. Buckle up, because you better buckle up, because this perk is awful.
Oh, what? We're playing DBD? When did that happen?
Darn. Wait, we're playing DVD with one perk? Oh god, when did that happen?
Buckle.
Wait, we've been doing this for half a year? What?
Yeah, that's what surprises me the most.
Hey. Never mind.
Oh,
Let me
they walked away.
do this. It's a trickster. I don't know where he went though. Found him. Bro, that's the wrong way. Bro, that's just dead ass the wrong way.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh, he's so. Why is he so far back?
moves at 110. Bruh. Why does he have to be like two years back?
I know the timing was so screwed up. I guess he kicked my gen.
I am 110ing him. Oh, stop moving.
Is Trickster really 110 because he's ranged?
Yep. 24-meter radius.
I'll just do this gen. Oh, hoi hoi.
He's like super greeting for this gen, which is amazing because he's wasting all of his time. And back on the gen. Hey, if no one goes down, I can't really show off the perk. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Just fall on the ground. Just slip.
Well, there's the Kate. There's the Trick Man.
And there's the gen. Maya
Oh.
Tinkerer. If he
Don't worry,
does.
I might be able to show you the perk. The gen.
What gen?
Hey, he took the hit. Hey.
Which crate? I'm over here. Oh. Hey, I can see you. You're pink. Like Trickster. You're even pink when you get hooked. Cool.
Oh, really? It just doesn't change the aura.
Well, like as you're being hooked.
Oh. I see now. Are you gonna face camp me, sir? No, he saw the Kate.
Still think he's nearby. Oh, he's
Yeah, he's behind
just
the
on the
stack of cards.
exact other side. Oh. Come on, Kate, recover so I can see the pretty colors change. Never mind.
Oh wait, we're already done? What the fuck? Oh, I just ran right into him.
Thank you. You would have just
Dang.
dead-ass seen me.
He turned around.
Oh. He has the attention span of a goldfish. That's how much he's camping. I was like, what did that hit? What's that sound? Alright, let's just go
You.
do it, Jen.
You. He's nodding his head. You.
So boring, dude.
He shook his head at me. Come on. No.
Camping is so rewarding.
Here's why borrowed is going to be base kit.
You guys did Jen, so I'm gonna lose harder. Ah, no way out. I mean, it explains the boring gameplay.
$10 no ed.
Are there any $10 games on Steam that I want? Oh wait, no. No. You're in favor of no ed, so like, I'd have to give you a $10 game. I'll pass. I'm on my way, guys. Don't worry, I have buckle up.
Oh!
Oh!
We teabagged at the same time.
Oh! Oh wait, no, never mind. He's not chasing. He's just rotating. Gameplay.
Yes. Okay, we'll leave.
So we got to see that the perk works. At least part of it. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god, I love Swamp. I'm on Shack Gen. Oh, Killer has Dying Light, so it might be a shape again.
I'm on Swamp Gen.
Thanks.
Oh, hi!
Well,
As standard, Jake just fed the shit out of him.
and then he assumed you went to Loop Shack.
She's exact. Cartman, come here.
You know you can kick gens. There you go. Nice. He do be stalking. He do be stalking.
Oh, and prove thyself. Let's go.
How? Okay. We take these. Whoa. Thought he was gonna fall for it.
I guess I'll just go with these three.
Yeah, just gonna generous the whole game. Don't worry, he has. He has dying light, and he's only chasing me. But no one's injured, so I can't really use my dying light. And he also doesn't have any hooks. And obsession hooks don't charge dying light.
We're also already 50 on this gen. Oh, hi, sir.
Yeah, he's off me. I forgot to mention that. Buckle up value. He's turning pink. He's blushing. And I find an entrance. He is getting white very quickly. Oh yeah, dying light. We're not leaving him. Oh, I'm sorry.
Guys,
At least we can
guys,
see his
why?
aura. At least we can see his
Guys.
aura. I'm sorry. Body blocked 8 times. Oh, they're fully recovered. Doesn't go for full health.
there.
Actually going for full health. I changed my mind. Actually getting buckle up value. Let's go. Tried to spin him. I instead walked into his blade.
Hello, I poke you now.
Don't worry, I'm taking one for the team. I'm first hook, but it's dying light, so it doesn't matter.
Ooh, perfect. I don't feel like he's over here.
Because he is.
Oh no, I'm sorry! Sag.
Bro, what? Don't you have dying light or something? And you are fully recovered now! Now!
There.
Now! I don't use the perks. Well, no one uses the perks, so I can't tell exactly the maximum color. Or, the maximum percent color. The maximum whiteness.
He's coming back.
Of course he is. He wants to tunnel the dying light. What? Stop blocking me! He's tunneling the dying light!
You guys gen rushed me.
You guys gen rushed me, so I'm tunneling the person who my slowdown perk is tied to. Michaela, why'd you dead hard that? You know, sometimes I just question why. Just why. Hey, his first charge of dying light, or his first token of dying light. After all the gens are done. Anyway.
Oh no! Where? Who was he after?
Megon Shack, but he's not good at chase.
Why did he pop it?
Oh,
he
now
came
he's
back.
near the Michaela? Michaela's not very hidden. But, like,
Can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do
She
it?
does have borrowed.
Oh, nearly, nearly there.
If only Meg were running Buckle Up, then she could tell how healed the person who isn't moving and probably healing is. But Michaela, the green glyph. So the thing about Buckle Up is it kind of becomes useless once you realize, hey, if someone's not moving, they're recovering, more than likely. But at the same time, it can be, nice to know their progress on recovery if you are like in an end game scenario and you need to know if you should go to heal them or just leave them be sort of thing. The aura reading is really nice when it does come up. Sometimes it's not really necessary, like Breakdown's aura reading or Guardian's aura reading, but it's, a nice bonus to a perk that won't necessarily really get too much use, even if it's just out of information. Because, without the perk, you can assume how much someone's recovered based if they're moving or not. And even if they are moving and have tenacity, they move quicker, so you can also assume they're recovering while doing all that nonsense. So it's not a great perk, but it does what it does when it does it.
It it do be there to do help.
It does in fact exist and help in areas sometimes. Yeah. We should try to convince everyone to run just one perk with us. I don't think we will be able to, but like one game we should just be like, hey guys, want to exclusively run Buckle Up or something? Oh no, you actually typed it in. Buckle up, because we're getting ready for a ride on the worst perk. Fuck. Dang it! I don't have the perk on my screen anymore, so I can't. I'll just do it during loading.
Yeah, I don't want to ever hear it again.
Buckle up, because you better buckle up, because this perk is awful.
I undeafened at the wrong time. I oh god.